OnePlus is about to make its entry into the foldable phone market with a device that opens like a book, and it's expected to compete directly with the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Recently, details about the OnePlus Open have been leaked, including its pricing, which has stirred up some excitement. According to a recent leak via WinFuture, the OnePlus Open is essentially a rebranded Oppo Find N3 Fold. However, in terms of pricing, the OnePlus Open is expected to be priced at $1,699. This foldable smartphone is set to hit the United States market on October 19. In comparison to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, which is priced at $1,799, the OnePlus Open comes in $100 cheaper. This has raised questions and some disappointment among consumers, as OnePlus has been traditionally associated with budget-friendly devices. The OnePlus Open boasts a distinctive design featuring a circular camera housing and includes two 48-megapixel wide and ultra-wide sensors, along with a 64-megapixel telephoto sensor with 3x optical zoom. It has been reported that OnePlus plans to release the Open in several European countries, except for Germany, where the brand is banned due to patent infringement issues related to Nokia technologies. It remains uncertain whether the $1,699 price tag for the USA includes taxes or if the OnePlus Open will be priced higher in Europe. Recent hands-on reviews and comparisons with the Z Fold 5 have provided insights into the OnePlus Open. The device's display crease is almost imperceptible, depending on lighting and the angle it's held at, which is a significant improvement over the more noticeable crease on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Moreover, it's confirmed that the OnePlus Open, along with its Oppo-branded counterpart, retains the iconic alert slider, a signature feature of OnePlus devices. The OnePlus Open is anticipated to run on the Android 13 operating system and will feature a 7.82-inch OLED inner display with a 120Hz refresh rate, along with a 6.31-inch OLED outer screen with the same 120Hz refresh rate. It will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. Share your thoughts on the OnePlus Open's pricing in the comments section, and feel free to subscribe if you enjoyed this update. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.